Hello, my name is Emiliano Avila, and my group mates are Edgar Talento, Carlos Crespo, and Anthony Rees. And today we're doing the 2-inch cutout for our project. The first step we have to do is get a ruler and a pencil on a piece of paper. And the first thing we do is get a ruler, find the 2-inch. Since we're doing 2 inches, you put it straight and then you mark the 2 just like this. You mark it, alright, and then you go on the other side of the paper and mark it again so you can have a box. Enough from this, you shade in, when you sketch out the lines from the thing you just sketched in, the little lines. And now I'm trying to straighten out the line to make a perfect square. Just like so. Alright. And you can put your 2 here too if you want. And after this, after you finish this part, do it on the other sides. There's 3 other sides you have to do. And after you're done with those, they should look like this. And after you're done with all 4 squares, all 4 corners, you get some scissors and you start cutting the squares. Just like so. Nice and even. And you don't want to mess up because then the box won't be the same size and then you won't be able to get your length and width correctly. When we're done, we need one more after this one. So after this, there's going to be another step, which I'll explain in a couple minutes or a couple seconds. Alright, so when you're done cutting out all 4 corners, you have these 4 little squares. And then after you're done with cutting those 4 corners or squares, your thing should look like a fat plus, which I imagine. And you can do this in the end or right now, but I'll do it right now. You're supposed to fold each of the sides, just like so. I'll show you guys right now in a minute. It should be nice and even. Then you fold this one, just like so. I'll do this one first. There we go. Fold this side. Nice and even. Make this one even too. Okay, you guys can do this, which I do. It makes everything like a square, just like so. So after this, you gotta find our length. Hold up, let me find a better ruler for this. Alright. Got this ruler. So after this, you gotta find the length, and you go from the highest point to the lowest point, which is it's right here. Let's see, that's exactly 11 inches. So we write down length. L should represent length. And the length is 11 inches. squares, these parts we cut out, these little squares we cut out, these represent 2 inches, which we subtract that 2 times, and it gives us our length, which will be 7, and that's our length, 7 inches. And then for our width, we grab our ruler again, and we do it from the shortest side, from the sides, and that will be 8.5 inches. And then W will represent our width, and that'll be 8.5 subtracting 2 times, like last time, for our length, and we will get 4.5 from this, which will be our length. And from our height, H will represent height. Our height will basically be 2. It's obvious. And then for volume of this square, we will represent volume. We multiply length, width, and height all together. So 7. And then we multiply that, and then width is 4.5. There we go. Then height, we still gotta do height. And then with all this, we multiply this, we multiply the volume. The volume of the square will be 63 inches squared. And that's how you find the volume of the square for this. And here you go. And that's how you find the volume of the square. This is for Platinum Green class in Mr. Messer. And yeah, hope you enjoyed.